Alright, hey guys, what's up? It's Ian, and this is my bike check. Alright, first off, I got Colt leader bars. I just took off the sticker in the front, so it's Colt. All long neck grips. Odyssey power ends. Very good bar ends, they don't break. A black eye Killroy stockstone. Mission circuit forks. Got Fit FAF tires, the white walls, and then blue stocks rims. Got a regular peg for steel. Alright, my pedals are Odyssey Twisteds. Cranks are 3-piece chromoly, no, not chromoly, steel cranks, stock Mission, no, mechanic sprocket, KMC K710 chain SL super light, a McNeil seat post, Shadow Pivotal Crow fat seat, the blue mechanic back rim, and then a stock hub, and then also another Fit FAF. Alright, this is my bike check, so hope you like it.